Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, a holiday weekend, Memorial Day weekend. I want to wish everyone a great Memorial Day out there. Make it a safe one, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 17, Nasdaq up 23, S&P's up 3.5, gold contract down $11.30, traded at $1,211 an ounce. Silver down 14 cents at $16.20 an ounce. Platinum down 16 bucks at $9.76 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.10 a pound. Light sweet crude down 18 cents at $49.30 a barrel. Bonds, you have the 10-year notes down 12 ticks, 129.16. 30-year bond off 19 ticks, 163.31. King dollar up 563 ticks, trading at 95.72. You have the euro at $1.11, and the yen is trading at $1.10. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so your high on the 20th of April is $210.92. We've hit $210.10 today. Contraction of volume, which you can expect coming into this holiday weekend. On Wednesday, we did 79 million shares in the SPY. Yesterday, we did 55. Today, we're going to probably do about 45. Bottom line, I expect what you're going to see. So picture this. We come back Tuesday. Tuesday and Wednesday is window dressing. This thing is going to jam, meaning get up into that high. And the S&Ps look like to me that they can at least test the high, which is that $210.92. NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do we have in the 3 Qs? 3 Qs, contraction of volume. Right now we're trading at $110.05. The gap is $110.15. Same deal with the NDX 100. Wicked contraction of volume. Wednesday we did 38 million. We did 21 million yesterday, and today we're going to be lucky whether we do 15 million. When we take a look at this and we put this on even the weekly basis, what you're going to see is that this high that was generated in April, it looks to me, even in the Qs, that wants to get hit, and that's 111.33. Inside the Dow Industrials, what do we have? So Dow Industrials, they're trading at 17,848, and the high up there, we're talking about the 18,167. That's a different situation whether that high is going to get hit. You know, it looks to me like the SPYs want to do it, the NQs want to do it. We go over to the small caps. We take a look at the small caps. The small caps, I believe, are right there right now. Yeah, so the small caps traded out to a price point today of $114.50. 115 is the high. The small caps are going to close up here. I suspect on Tuesday they're going to run over that level, and then what's going to be game inside the small caps is actually, when we take a look at this, it'll be the highs that were generated out here in December of 2015, which is a lot higher. You know, so it's going to be intriguing to see how it comes after this swing in the small caps of 115, because that's going to put on the table that you can go to 120 bucks, which is a big number. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Janet Yellen come out 115 doing an interview. Bottom line, gold market didn't like it, bond market didn't like it. Gold down 11 bucks. You're trading at $1,211. We've done 183,000 contracts. Now, this is going to be really tricky, man, with this gold deal, and this is why. So your swing point is right where we are. It's 1211.80. That's the swing that was generated on the April 1st. Where we broke out from is 1200. So it looks to me like 1200 is game right now. When we broke topside in February, we went from 1200 to 1263. That's on the table right now. The GLD, which is trades the ETF structure. Now, that's pulling back with dramatically lighter volume, which is bullish, okay? We're down a buck right now. You're doing 6.5 million shares. You're going into 11 million. So the GLD versus the gold contract looks good, but the gold contract absolutely rules the GLD. Bonds. What do we have with the bond market? Okay, so you get Yellen out there, and her quote is that, let me get the exact quote. The exact quote was something like, she felt that Janet Yellen just said ongoing improvement in the U.S. economy would warrant another interest rate increase in the coming months. Who knows what in the coming months means? You know, that could be 1 month, 2 months, 5 months, all of the above. Okay, that being said, this is what you have. You had the bond market goes down 12 ticks. Now, this is going to be pretty cool how this shakes out. The bond market is saying that it wants higher price, lower yield, even though we're down today. Why? Because we came down, folks, on only 921,000 contracts versus 1.9 million contracts, okay? So bottom line, what you have here is that bonds still want higher price, and with bonds saying higher price, that to me is saying that the S&Ps want to get hit. I expect you got to keep your hands in your pockets for another week, week and a half or something. Now, King Dollar. Let's go over to King Dollar and look at King Dollar, because this is where it's going to be really, this King Dollar has everything to do with commodities. Now, what King Dollar has done is this. King Dollar, when Yellen was on, got some juice. We've done 17,000 contracts. King Dollar is at 95.70. This baby can be, and it very well may be an ABC structure on the way up. That is going to be a problem for the metal market. The 8 point on this is the lows that were generated at $91.88. That was on the 3rd. The B point was the high of Wednesday, which is 95.60. So it's approximately $4, which would get you a $98. So unless you get a failure here, this is going to be interesting, because it's a small one. I would have to basically get some follow through. It's coming into some large downdrafts, but there's divergence there. But the way this dollar is trading out right now, we could commit to some more problems inside that metal market. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. Dow Industrials up 21. Nasdaq's up 23. S&Ps are up 4. We're going to be right back.